Hi, it's Kat at Orion Billing. I make videos to help those who are doing medical billing to have a greater understanding and get more money in the door. So today I want to talk about what a provider can charge for self-pay fees. This is a big subject, but I'm going to focus on dual fees. Healthcare providers may be able to charge different rates for their services depending on how the patient pays and the state that they are in. Dual fees means that the healthcare provider charges different prices for the same services, depending on whether the patient is using cash or paying with their insurance. Because insurance companies negotiate lower prices with providers, the insurers don't pay the full billed amount, they pay their negotiated rate and the provider has to write the rest off. A provider might charge less to a patient who is not using insurance and paying in cash or paying out of pocket. A provider charging different amounts to different patients for the same services could potentially raise legal red flags. In California, for example, a provider can apply a prompt pay discount to patients who are paying at the time of service, and that's for non-insured cash patients. New York, on the other hand, does not have a legal allowance for a provider to charge non-insured patients a lower amount than their insured patients. Under New York state insurance laws, providers are generally required to charge the same rates of service to all patients, insured or not, with the exception of those who qualify for financial assistance. There are other states with similar laws in that way, like Connecticut, Maine, Massachusetts, Minnesota, New Hampshire, Rhode Island, and Vermont. But depending on the location, if a provider submits a claim to an insurer for an insured patient at a higher rate than what they charge their cash patients for the same services, it could run the risk of being considered insurance fraud. So it's wise to make sure you understand the laws in your state to avoid any potential legal issues. For those who can charge dual fees, do also check your state statutes just to make sure that you're not in any gray area. You may be able to do it, but even if it is legal to charge different fees, there might be specific requirements or limitations that need to be followed that you should be aware of. You can probably get more money for the work you're already doing. I hope to help you do that with the information in my videos. At Orion Billing, we help healthcare providers get more of what they earn. Have an awesome day.